Hello everyone! Welcome to our 3-minute Turkish lesson series where we'll learn some super useful phrases from the popular Turkish series, Love for Rent. Are you ready to learn Turkish like they speak it in the show? Let's get started.
İyiyim. İyiyim.
Means, I'm fine, I'm okay. She says this to quickly reassure her friend that she's okay after almost tripping. It would be similar to saying, I'm fine, really, I'm fine. It shows that the person is trying to make sure others don't worry.
İyiyim.
Can also be used in casual conversations when someone asks, how you are, as a simple way to say you're doing well. In Defne's case, by saying,
İyiyim.
she is emphasizing that she's perfectly fine, using repetition to show she doesn't need any assistance or attention.
İyi.
Means good in Turkish, functioning as an adjective.
İyiyim.
Günaydın. Günaydın.
Means good morning.
Gün.
Means day.
Aydın.
Means bright or light.
Günaydın.
Literally translates to have a bright day, but it's used exactly like good morning in English.
Günaydın.
Evet benim ama siz Evet benim ama siz
Means, yes, it's me, but you?
Evet.
This means yes in Turkish. It's a simple and common way to confirm or agree with something.
Benim.
This translates to it's me or I am the one in this context. The word
Ben.
means I and the suffix
İm.
makes it personal, confirming identity.
Ama.
This means but.
Siz.
This is the formal or plural form of you in Turkish. In this sentence, it's used to address someone respectfully.
Evet benim ama siz Evet benim ama siz
Bende anahtar. Bende anahtar.
Means it's with me, I have the key.
Ben de.
Literally means with me or I have. It's used to show possession or that something is in the speaker's possession or control.
Anahtar.
This
means key in Turkish.
Bende anahtar. Bende anahtar.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.